So Cosmos Atom, we're going to be talking about this and leverage trading. If you're leverage trading, you haven't got a structured plan in place, you haven't got stop losses in place, and you were trading Cosmos Atom, I guarantee 100% that you've been wiped out. Every single one of you have been wiped out. Why is it? Because of protections that weren't put in place. Why is it? Because of these exchanges. And I think that Binance has got a lot to answer for. And we're going to talk about Cosmos Atom. And I want you to give me your honest opinion whether you think that this was a coordinated attack with Binance at the back of that, because this thing went from $50 in its bull market high in 2021. It held support at around $4. It started making a range about $4. This thing went to zero. The wick went to zero. That means everything as far as the market cap was completely lost at any given time within the Binance exchange on Cosmos Atom. Every single person that was leverage trading it that didn't have stop losses has been completely wiped out. And I want to know, did Binance have anything to answer for? And I want to know how this crash affected you. How did it affect your portfolios? Were you doing leverage trading? Have you given up on crypto? And do you think that we're going to get an alt season? This is Cosmos Atom, and this is what can happen as far as leverage trading is concerned. This is what can happen as far as selling the low is concerned, because it's not just leverage, it's also spot. If you sell spot, you sell it low. That means when it recovers, that you're in a loss. You're either buying back higher or you're staying out the market at a loss. And that's the one thing that the market's designed to do. You can see on Atom, we were in this range. We were in this range for a long period of time. This range was holding. We talk about two things. Once you're holding a base and holding a base, one thing that happens is you get what I call the pothole effect, where you go down, you lose, stop losses get hit, stop losses get hit. You recover, you come back, you hold, and then you run. That's what we were waiting for, and that's what we were expecting. And this was the range that we were in. So what happened with this liquidation event as far as Cosmos is concerned? I'm going to show you exactly what happened. See, this was resistance, $4.58. This was support, $3.66. This was the previous all-time high, $50. So we understand there's big numbers. We understand that Cosmos has got a lot of development going on. We know that Cosmos is a big cryptocurrency. It stood the test of time. So what happened when we dropped this base here, $3.62? We dropped and we went down. How far? We went down, we went down, we went down, we went down, and we lost 99.99% of the whole of the market cap. Cosmos Atom went all the way down to 0.003, a third of a cent. So all the way to a third of a cent. What happened? Recovery, recovery, recovery. Now, I would ask you one question. Did you buy here? At zero, pretty much. I can guarantee every single one of you did not buy zero. Why? Because the exchanges weren't working. The exchanges were shut down. The buy, the sell orders weren't working because this was a coordinated attack. And I'm suspicious of the coordinated attack, and I want to learn more about what happened behind the scenes. So if anybody's got any information, let me know in the comments, guys. I'm a technical guy, not a fundamental guy, but I want to know what happened to Atom here, because that's ridiculous. It shouldn't be able to go to zero on any exchange and then recover all the way back to $3.46. Doesn't make sense. You let me know in the comments if this has affected you. You let me know in the comments what you think about Binance, and you let me know in the comments if you think that this was a coordinated manipulation attack to completely wipe out the retail before we get any kind of reset in the market and then we get a move. All of these questions, guys, you can answer either in the YouTube comments, or you can get in the free Discord group and have access to all of these great servers, chart requests, trades, and then ask me anything. So to get in there, just go in the link in the description on the comments. You'll start here. When you start here, just solve this captcha, click solve captcha, and you'll get access to all these servers for free. Right, that's about it from me for now. I will keep you updated during the course of the week as the crypto market starts to progress. Fingers crossed. That's about it from me. Goodbye.